Let's talk about how you can customize your theme and profile for each Chrome account that you have. I have multiple Chrome accounts. I have my personal one, I have my one for school, I have a Google Trainer one, and then I have a couple of additional ones for various purposes. Even if you only have two accounts, a personal one and a school one, I do highly suggest that you take a minute, pick a different theme, as well as a different profile image for each of your accounts. Now, it's come a long way. It used to be a little bit more difficult. Now it's super simple and definitely something that will help you in the long run. So because you've separated out your Chrome accounts, like tip number 1 said, you've gone through and you've added some bookmarks, you've changed it to just using the favicons, you've created folders, you've organized into your folders, and you've deleted all of the bookmarks that you no longer need or use. Now you can really go a long way in helping yourself keep the personal bookmarks separate from your work bookmarks, separate from maybe an additional role that you play, and make it really easy for you to visually see which account you're in. To do this, in the upper right-hand corner, find your World's Skinniest Snowman. Now notice it's going to be in the same line as your URL, your Omnibox, your extensions. There's your profile picture for the account. Click on the World's Skinniest Snowman up here where it allows you to customize your Chrome. Go almost to the bottom to Settings. And then once you are inside Settings, go to Customize your Chrome profile. Now this is a relatively new feature right here. You can easily change the color of your account. I highly suggest that you do this. Check it out. There's a lot of different themes, a lot of different looks that you could have to it. This is my personal account, so I like to keep it pretty simple and standard. And then towards the bottom, you can pick an avatar. This is really probably the key thing that I would suggest that you change. And it doesn't have to be like a super important avatar. It's just make that association, like I have me as my Google profile, my avatar right here, but you could easily pick any of these other ones. This is what's going to show and help you know which account that you're in right here. So you can see these are the other avatars that I have selected for my other accounts. It really is a great and easy and a must-do. Make sure that you change your theme and make sure that you give a unique avatar so that you can customize your Chrome account. When you wear multiple hats and you have multiple roles, this is a must tech tip that you can do.